Phenomena surrounding STEM education have continuously evolved with the integration of innovative methodologies to enhance learning outcomes. Stemming from a foundation rooted in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM education prioritizes the cultivation of critical thinking, problem solving prowess, and collaborative skills. In recent years, one such methodology, game based learning, has garnered increased attention for its potential to revolutionize the educational landscape. While initially met with skepticism from educators and parents alike, the tide is shifting as the benefits of game based learning become more apparent. Notably, its ability to elevate student engagement has piqued interest, suggesting a promising avenue for enhancing learning experiences. To all distinguished guests, fellow researchers, and participants gathered here, good day to all of you. I am greatly honored to be presenting before you today at the 4th International Research Conference hosted by St. Dominic College of Asia. I am General G. Paras, a STEM student from the Senior High School Department of Landi National High School, presenting the study entitled The Cognitive and Emotional Effects of Diverse Game-Based Learning Activities Across STEM Disciplines. This study discusses the intersection of STEM education and game-based learning. STEM education focuses on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, aiming to develop critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork skills to navigate the evolving technological landscape. Game-based learning, a method gaining acceptance, enhancing learning in STEM fields by increasing student engagement. While its potential benefits are acknowledged, further research is needed to understand its full impact. This study aimed to investigate the cognitive and emotional effects of diverse game-based learning activities across STEM disciplines, particularly focusing on whether such activities benefit or hinder STEM students' academic performance. Statement of the problem. For the main problem, what are the cognitive and emotional effects of diverse game-based learning activities across STEM disciplines? For the sub-problem, how do different game-based learning activities influence the cognitive development of grade 11 students in STEM subjects? What emotional responses are elicited among grade 11 students during diverse game-based learning experiences in STEM disciplines? And finally, to what extent do diverse game-based learning activities enhance or hinder engagement and motivation among grade 11 students in STEM education? Research methodology. The researcher utilized a phenomenological approach under qualitative research to gather information for this study. Qualitative research allows the researcher to explore and understand survey respondents' unique perspectives. The qualitative research approach was used in this study since the study dealt with complex issues that require a comprehensive understanding of participants' experiences. The data was gathered at Landi National High School since both the respondents and the researcher came from the said institution. The researcher used selective or subjective sampling to identify learners who could provide insights into game-based learning activities experienced by STEM students. The participants were chosen based on their performance during classes and whether they experienced game-based learning. This study used semi-structured interview questions, an appropriate instrument to gather data about the participants' game-based learning experiences. The semi-structured interview involved open-ended questions that allowed the researcher to explore the topic in depth while allowing flexibility to follow up on exciting responses. Another approach the researcher used to collect data was attentive observation and gathering pertinent materials. This approach helped identify recurring motifs and patterns in the game-based learning activities. Due to the heat waves happening during the conduction of the study, the Department of Education was forced to apply asynchronous classes. This required the researcher to conduct the interviews remotely to ensure the safety of the respondents. The initial stage of the analytical process was to transcribe all interviews and observations into writing. It allowed the researcher to evaluate the emergence of recurring themes and review each transcript multiple times to understand the data comprehensively. After triangulating the themes and codes for all the interviews, the researcher identified numerous patterns and was able to classify the codes. Results and discussions. Table 1 shows the different game-based learning activities influence the cognitive development of grade 11 students in STEM subjects. With the essential theme being cognitive development, this means that game-based learning affects the skills your brain uses for basic daily activities, including thinking, learning, reading, memory, verbal skills, listening, and attention span. Table 2 shows the emotional responses listed among grade 11 students during diverse game-based learning activities experienced in STEM disciplines. The essential theme of this table is emotional impacts of game-based learning activities on students, meaning they experience emotions such as happiness, joy, excitement, and enthusiasm. The third and final table shows the extent of diverse game-based learning activities in enhancing or hindering engagement and motivation among grade 11 students in STEM education. The essential theme are the experiences of students during game-based learning, such as their feeling of immersion and engagement during lessons. And for the conclusions of the study, improved cognitive abilities during game-based learning. Students' problem-solving skills, critical thinking skills, memory, and attention span have significantly improved according to the respondents. Different emotional experiences lead to better engagement and socialization. Students experience positive emotion and foster positive attitudes towards learning, leading to better engagement with the lesson and their classmates. The feeling of immersion and interactivity motivates students to pay attention and engage themselves during classes. As students feel immersed within the lessons, their attention still focuses on learning while reducing the tiring effect of studying, leading to further engagement in their academics. Based on this study's findings, the researcher recommends the following. For students, find more unique and interactive ways to conduct their activities and socialize more with each other to better conceptualize as a group to further enhance their understanding of various lessons. For teachers, they should develop a more interactive way for students to learn through game-based learning, ensuring that the students would experience less fatigue, but more improvement of their cognitive abilities and engagement during classes. And finally, for future researchers, they might use the finding of this study as a reference point for their own work related to this topic, since this study highlights the selected students' experiences in game-based learning regarding its emotional and cognitive effects. And for the references, the full list can be found in the IMRAD document provided by the researcher. To all the researchers and their studies that have been used to support this study, I extend my greatest gratitude. Without them and their contribution, this study would not have been possible. Once again, thank you. I am Jan Randall Paras, now ready for your queries, feedback, and suggestions that may help improve this study's quality.